Ashok Ghone from MakroCare, and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you to this webinar on remote source document verification for clinical operation efficiency and cost saving organized by MakroCare. Just a quick overview about MakroCare. MakroCare is a global drug development and consulting partner, offers services in clinical, regulatory and medical space, supporting pharma, biotech and medical device companies globally. MakroCare also offers cost-efficient, innovative services in clinical monitoring areas like risk-based monitoring, central monitoring, remote monitoring, including remote SDV. About today's webinar, as we all know, on-site monitoring is one of the biggest cost driver of clinical trial operations. Remote source document verification offers the best alternative to significantly reduce on-site monitoring activity to build cost efficiency and also ensure data quality and subject protection. So today's webinar is designed to cover remote source document verification process, strategies and challenges in implementing remote SDV, benefits of remote SDV, and regulation and HIPAA compliance. So to talk on this important topic, let me introduce speaker today. We have Laura La Rosa. Laura has been working in clinical research for more than 20 years now. She started her work in research as a nurse in the Harvard ACTG at Massachusetts General Hospital. She also worked for Eli Lilly and Company, and she has been providing consultancy to the pharmaceutical and device industry in clinical operation, quality assurance across multiple areas for last many years. Laura specializes in risk-based quality management, risk-based monitoring, conduct, and clinical operation documentation. She is a registered nurse with a master's degree in clinical research administration from the George Washington University and is also a doctoral student in translational health science at the George Washington University.
Thank you, Ashok. And Ashok is here with us as well, and he'll be speaking during part of our webinar today. He is the Vice President of Global Services at MakroCare USA and has more than 20 years of experience in the pharmaceutical and clinical research industry. His hands-on experience in clinical operations, project management, clinical trial management, process development, site management, and patient recruitment activities. He has led various cross-functional teams successfully by providing strategic direction, guidance for accomplishment of local, regional, and global projects involving early and late phase clinical studies in various therapeutic areas. Ashok has been involved in development of process, system, and training related to risk-based monitoring, centralized monitoring, and remote monitoring at MakroCare, which offers these specialized services to biopharmaceutical and medical device companies to support their endeavors in implementation of these new monitoring approaches. So thank you everyone for joining us this morning, and thank you Ashok for having me here. This is a nice time to talk about remote source documentation since we're moving rapidly towards